How are you all doing? Welcome back to Crypto Blitz, your go-to place for all things crypto. Happy Saturday. Have a great weekend. Finally, it's here. Hopefully, we'll have some incredible stuff in the works. Tomorrow is Easter. Therefore, I hope you're spending today lounging before heading over to spend time with your family. However, we have a fantastic video planned for you this morning. We received some shocking information since the Fed. Yes, I have the proof to show that the Fed has just opened a backdoor that might cause XRP to soar tenfold. In the meantime, 2 billion USDT has just been bridged across chains, and Ethereum is about to tumble badly. There's going to be a big event. The local bottom is in, the whales are loading up, and a breakout is imminent within the next 30 to 60 days, according to the XRP chart. XRP is one of the most bullish charts in all of cryptocurrency, so don't sleep on it. Additionally, if you're watching this video and haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the like and follow buttons. It's free and really helps me out. And for just $4.99 a month, you can join the channel to access even more exclusive material and go entirely ad-free. Stay ahead of the game, support the quest, and avoid the advertisements. Without further ado, take a seat back and unwind. Let's get started with Bitcoin. It looks decent on a Saturday morning, arriving at 85,229 hours. At the moment, it is up 0.7%. A total of 1,596 ETH is received. As the dollar peg USDC has fallen below at 99 cents, it is currently at 1.8% when USDT is coming in, and XRP is holding on to its fourth place ranking. It seemed to have found a comfortable and cozy home at number 4. Coming in at 2008 cents bothers me. Now that I'm aboard the boat, the total cryptocurrency market capitalization is up 3.6% over the last day and is still below the 2020 all-time high of $2,679 billion. I really believe that June will arrive within the next 30 to 60 days. These cryptocurrency markets are about to see a massive breakout. XRP is expected to trade between $250 and $3. We intend to venture into the $4 to $5 bracket. We called the bottom 76,500 on the weekly this morning, and Bitcoin's journey to 100,000 is underway. At 10 in the morning, our inaugural King in the Jungle competition will begin. Every available area is occupied by trading card games that are played to generate money on the XRP ledger and an Arbitrum. One of the greatest games available on mobile devices. Play through your web browser. The first tournaments are taking place today. Good luck to all of us. Peter Bryan posted this in a couple rooms that don't look very attractive. Let's get started. The charts don't lie, so let's discuss it. I'll blow this up for you guys. Gas prices have drastically decreased. Volumes of trading are declining. Total value locked across all platforms, defy TVL. It is getting smaller. The first warning sign is this. Large Ethereum wallets are also beginning to slowly and silently discharge. Additionally, it is typically a sign of an altcoin correction when TH begins to lose ground versus Bitcoin. I can tell that the institutions are beginning to shift if Bitcoin continues to hold steady while Ethereum falters. They're searching for more lucrative plays or safer wagers. Ethereum doesn't appear to be one of them at the moment. In the event that TH keeps collapsing, Peter Bryan has targets ranging from 500 to... We've warned you. I'll release this, USDT. $2 billion. $2 billion, people. Additionally, USDT was recently bridged across several chains. It's not a store. This is the rapid movement of stable currency by whales and institutions. Why? To purchase the dip, perhaps. They may be positioning themselves for over-the-counter transactions, or they may be moving completely away from Ethereum-based DeFi. A benefit is that some of the value might already be shifting into XRP. We've already discussed what we're witnessing in the whale wallets, but keep in mind that the movement of billions of stable currencies is never random. Every time this is a setup, what will that setting be this time around is the question. Will it go into Bitcoin or is it heading elsewhere? I want you to keep your eyes on that. After that, we're going to dissect this reliable cryptocurrency that was released. He's stating something here that I want you to comprehend. As long as Bitcoin doesn't spoil the fun, he adds XRP is looking quite positive here on shorter timescales. Additionally, we are aware that Bitcoin enjoys spoiling a good time. What does this mean then? Basically, I'm telling you that the XRP chart appears to be healthy and positive. It is displaying indications of a likely breakout or bullish continuation. He is suggesting that, on a short-term trading chart, the price action is testing resistance levels, consolidating in a range, or even developing a bullish structure like higher lows. 1 hour on a 4-hour chart, or even 5-15. Here to here is what we mean. We're not discussing the long-term chart. We're discussing short-term. The shorter the time frames, the lower the term. Therefore, as long as the XRP remains stable and we are able to show you the chart, Bitcoin will make the final decision. It won't reverse itself and fall back to the negative. Guess what, though? We look nice. We look good. Limit purchasers are the big players. Any potential sell pressure is being absorbed by them. The act of picking it up could be regarded as a crash or a dump. It's a very good indication of accumulation and frequently indicates that XRP's local bottom is in and that it is ready for the next upward rise. Let's go on to this. Keith discusses XRP and the brief video he released on his live stream on Thursday. Pay attention to what he says and where he thinks the price of XRP is headed. I'll give you a sneak peek right here. He's discussing soon. Now all we need is for Twitter to play the video. Wait a moment. It is now entering log mode. Pay attention. I've included some breaks on the trend line here, as you can see. You'll notice that it's still trapped underneath, but still holding the yellow support box if I flip this over to linear. So, for the time being, everything is fine. As long as it has support here, I can't really do much about it, even though it looks terrible and seems to be failing and rolling over. Right there, you still have the 200 moving average. It might hit it again to catch it as assistance if it desires it. This thing should hold out, I hope. I appreciate how these moving averages are beginning to go sideways at this point. This is going to get linked, entangled in these Will Smith episodes, get caught inside these moving averages here when they all gather together. And after that, well, that's when we have our chance for some magic, some pops, and some volatility. Simply hasn't completed it yet. We must be getting near, don't you think? It must be getting near. I'll check to be sure I have nothing to say. Jeez, what's up? Brian, Blue Crypto, how are you? Rumble, eh? Got a great song while discussing XRP. Yes, it's not far. I proceeded to purchase more. I've reached my maximum position in this. I'm no longer purchasing. I'm tapped out on purchasing this currency, but I still have several stable ones left. Okay, I've got a lot of XRP. So don't bring any bullshit at me.